welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, open your Facebook. Now click on your Facebook profile menu. Now here scroll down and again click on setting and privacy. Again click on this setting and privacy. Again click on settings. After that, here you can see official account center. Click on this and here you can see click on see account center. After that, here you can see password and security. Click on this. After that, click on here you can see. After that, click on change password. After that, click on change password. Here you can see. Now click on your any account you want to change the password. Now here you need to add your current password. By clicking on this, here you need to add current password of your account. After that, here you need to add a new password, and here after that again you need to retype the new password you want to change. After that, click on this change password. Here you can see. In this way you can easily change your Facebook password on. In this way you can change your password on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.